Welcome to the first annual Med Mart Scooter Trend. This is where we're going to compare durability, speed, and quality of some of the best heavy-duty and outdoor scooters on the market. We got a tough field of competition out there today. We have the Pride Mobility Baja Wrangler 2, the Golden Eagle, a new contender, and the eWheels. Welcome and enjoy the show. Gentlemen, start your engines. Everyone rev your engines. Officially, there is no engine, but we can rev them. On your marks, get set, go. The Baja Wrangler's off to an early lead. The Golden Eagle's coming. eWheels is taking off. He's making up space, he's gaining room. He's on the freeway, he barely skates with the win. The eWheels wins the speed test. Congratulations, Bobby John. He's one of our fastest racers out there. How do you feel? How does it make you feel to be a winner today?
I tell you, it makes me feel like a champion. Nothing beats the speed of an EW-72.
David with Med Mart here. At the conclusion of the race, we have our results. And the results are clear. While these are all great scooters, they all stand out in their own unique way. First off, the Baja Wrangler 2 from Pride Mobility right here is the winner of Best Off-Roading Capabilities and Best Overall Make for Off-Roading and Racing. For the Golden Eagle, a new contender in the space, this is quality made, one of the best scooters out there for quality and comfort and a good quality ride within the community. It wins the Quality Award. And it goes without saying, the Speedster, the EW-72 right here, we have the winner for in the speed category for torque only, the EW-72 as the race winner. Thank you for everyone coming out. No one was hurt in the filming of making this commercial. Only feelings were hurt today. Thank you for participating, and we'll see you again.